Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chili cheese dog bake. Alright guys, I'm starting out here. I have some hot dogs. And any kind of hot dog will do. I like the ones that are like the beef, chicken, and pork. I'm going to cut my hot dog, put a slit in, not all the way through, about halfway through. And I have some cheddar cheese sticks that I cut in half. Now these are made by Cracker Barrel. I'm going to get these down in the hot dog. See, like so. Then I have some crescent rolls here. I'm going to take my crescent rolls out. Just get rid of that. And I'm going to unpeel a crescent roll off of here. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap this hot dog up in the crescent roll. And you just want to wrap it around like this. Just get that on the hot dog. And I have a 9x13 baking pan over here sprayed with some canola oil. I'm going to go ahead and do all my hot dogs and put them in there. Alright guys, now that I have my hot dogs all wrapped up and in the baking pan, I have 2 cans of chili with beans, 2 15-ounce cans. I'm going to go ahead and get that down in there around the hot dogs. And guys, it's a real quick and easy meal for a work night. And you just want to get it down there. If you get a little bit on your hot dogs, that's not going to hurt nothing, guys. Okay guys, now that I have my chili in there, that last little bit out of there, I'm going to take a little bit of that canola cooking spray, and any kind of oil spray will work, and I'm going to go ahead and give that a light spray on top. That'll help brown up the crescent rolls. And I'm going to give this a very light sprinkle of some granulated garlic. You could also use garlic powder. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a 375-degree oven uncovered for 25 minutes until those crescent rolls bake through and they get golden brown. Alright guys, this is done. It just came out of the oven. It took 25 minutes. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, I went ahead and garnished this with a little bit of green onion for some added color and flavor. Let me get in here and give this a try. See, our crescent roll is nice and golden brown. Hot dogs cooked through. That cheddar cheese is nice and tangy. Get a little bit of chili with that. That's really good, guys. I'll try a little bit of crescent roll. Nice and fluffy. Really good. What you can do is throw a little extra chili on your plate and then use some nacho chips to scoop that up and eat it. Alright, there you have it, guys. Chili cheese dog bake. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.